Hi, Warren. Welcome to another one again. See Genesis Travel 876, and we're on the road today. So today we're out by the Roselle Falls, right? So I'm gonna definitely show you guys what's happening on here. But behind me there is the sea. So come and take a walk with me and let me show you what's happening. All right? So there has been some improvement, and I know you guys are going to love this. All right? So here we are. Me soon come. Stay tuned. Welcome my viewers and subscribers. As I mentioned, I told you I soon come, right? So yes, I am back. As I mentioned before, we are out by Roselle Falls, right? So I'm excited about this because there has been some improvement, guys, right? So I want you guys to definitely take a look at the improvement that's happening. So come and take a walk with me, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that post notification to get updates of the newest videos as well, guys. So come in, walk with me, right? So we're currently on this side of the road, which is closer to the sea. So we're going to make our way across the road to give you guys an update of what's happening. But the vehicle are traffic, so we have to be very careful of that as well. So just bear with me here as we go across to show you guys what's happening. But before we go over there though, one of my observations that I've made is that there is a lot of leaves that are within the water itself, coming from the almond tree, of course. So one of my recommendations is that they can get someone to be here to clean it regularly, so it can be very clean to all the persons that are using it, right? So that's one of my recommendations pertaining to the falls maintenance, right? So come with me as I journey across to show you. So I'm now crossing the road, so I'm going to the other side to show you what's happening. So now I'm on that side where the fall is, right? And first up you can see that there has been some improvement, right? If you look at the wall itself, you see where it has been tiled and protective placed on the edge of it as well, right? So before we cross, I was showing you the sign that they have placed a sign on the wall, and yes, it's looking wonderful. I like it, right? So yes guys, there's actually a sign there that says Roselle Falls, right? So just to give you a brief look at what the fall is looking like now inside, right? The fall is coming from the water there, and you see where the water is pretty clean, pristine, right? But one of my big observations that I've noticed as well is that there are garbage within the water itself. So one of my recommendations would be also to have a garbage disposable bin in and around the area, so that persons will be able to throw away or dispose of their garbage properly, right? And as I was mentioning before, there are the leaves in the water as well, and you have microorganisms that survive from these areas being clean. The fishes are there, they're doing well, and if you look closely you can see that there is life within this water, right? Fishes and other organisms, right? Other organisms as well. So I'm just giving you a tour, giving you a look about what it's looking like now, and you can see there has been some tiling done, right? Just to give it a facelift, and it's looking really good from my side here, and I would say good job, right? Good job to the person. But just to make it more a finished look, right, I would say to place something else just to cover this area right here, this area, right, just to ensure that it doesn't disturb the finishing while persons may sit on it, or persons may do other things to disturb the immaculate work that was done. So this is how it's looking now, all right? And as I mentioned guys, it's looking really good, all right? So again guys, if you haven't already, and if you enjoy these types of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get the latest update. So as you guys can see, there are fishes swimming in the water as well, And this is definitely out by Roselle. So take a look and join us on the journey today. So as you can see, this is that section leads into Marat Bay, right? Going that side from Roselle Falls. And this is what it's currently look like, right? So this is what it's looking like now. As I mentioned, there has been some improvement done to the falls here, as in the walls are placed with, you know, PVC pipe here, right? Very sturdy, and then they tiled this part down here, you know, looking lovely, right? So yes guys, so if you're passing by or you're looking to, you know, make a trip out, you can definitely see what's happening based on the improvements as well. So as I mentioned, that is the section that leads you back to Marat Bay, right? And you know, right across the road where you have the sea as well, so that is the sea portion of it. Okay, all right, so take a walk with me then. All right, so this is how it's looking from this section. So we're heading this section that we're walking on now. We're walking back to the area that takes you away from Marat Bay. All right, so as you can see, there are persons there, you know, washing off stuff like that. But this is what it's looking like here. All right, so as you can see, as I mentioned, there is the sea over there too. Pretty calm as it is right now. Yes, and you see where they have made the falls. Roselle Falls, that is, right? So, so this is what it's looking like as well. Tell me what you think about it as well. Let me know what you guys are doing. Yes guys, so I want you guys to get a closer look to see what I see. And as you can see, that lovely sign, Roselle Falls, right? Yes guys, so this is one of our many attractions that we have here. Some people call this the outside bathroom of St. Thomas, right? Yes guys, many persons come here to have a shower, you know, just to relax, you know, heading home from work, heading to work. Yes, the water is very cool, pretty clean as you can see, and pretty powerful, right? And just to prove my point, look, that is a bathing suit. So persons do stop here to have a bath as well, right? So lovely, and this is what it's looking like. So if you're ever in the parish, come on down, take a stop, enjoy some of the clean water, enjoy the scenery, and hey, don't forget to say, oh, big up Genesis Travel 876 for showing you this wonderful feature here in St. Thomas. Yes guys, so as you can see, we have the falls right behind us. That's Roselle Falls as well. Yeah, so I'm on the other side of the road though. This is the side closest to the sea. Alright, lovely. Look at how it's looking now. Yes guys, so we're just out here, you know, showing you guys what's happening. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel guys, you know, Genesis Travel 876. Yes guys, I continue to show you what's happening as we travel together. Alright, so until then, walk on my family, I so come, stay safe. Alright.